The new Acer EI491CR is a gaming monitor that sports an eye-catching design, especially for its aspect ratio of no less than 32:9. A new ultra-panoramic model with shapes that further accentuate its appeal thanks to the use of a panel with a few frames, although in this case it is not easy to opt for a multi-screen configuration given the proportions. Regarding the specifications, we are faced with a curved panel 1800R type VA 8 bits with a diagonal of 49 inches, is 32:9. In these measures it manages to offer a resolution 1080p/2 or double FHD, achieving 3840x1080 pixels. For the improvement of the image, it has AMD FreeSync 2 technology. It integrates two speakers of 3 watts of power each one, and in what refers to connectivity, it relies on a DisplayPort input, an HDMI 2.0 port and two HDMI 1.4 sockets.